All right, so for my second new technology that I found was Plickers, and I would describe it as a mix of Kahoot, Quizlet, and a way to assess your students. Maybe mixed with a little bit of Lexia, but you can do it in all sorts of different areas, mostly in science and math are the main ones, but you could set it up to create any type of like set of flashcards or questions or assessment. So, sorry, I have this little thing over here. I'm not downloading the app, but you can create your class. So, like, I have my fake class, and so you can put all your students in. So, like, right now, I'm the only student in this class, but you can give them you can assign them to play this little game, and you can play it as a class. Like, I can project this onto the screen, and so they have it on both their phone or their laptop or their iPad as well as the screen. And then you can reveal the answer, or you can set it up so it reveals at a certain time. But you can also see the score sheets, which I thought was fun. And you can also kind of see where the students are, if they're growing, if their scores are going up or not. You can see reports, which is a great way to see if your students are improving or not. And so I thought this followed ISTE standard, or it's the standard 3.3 E, which is develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, accountable, or actionable view of student progress in real time. So you're able to see this and see where the students are at. So like I said, you can discover your own. So like here I clicked on an early math one. So then it gives you different time or different groups that have already been made up by people, and you can play the game as well. And so you don't have to create your own. But if you want to, you can create your own. You can click on new set and you can type in your question. So like one plus one equals, and then you could do 4, 6, 2, and 1. And then thing that I forgot, you have to choose A. Did realize that. I just thought it earlier. I thought it chose the answer for me, but it was because I put 2 in the right answer or in the A spot. But then you can also shuffle your choices, and so it gives them a different. So it's not like the top choice is always the answer. But I thought that was just a fun way to do a quick little formative assessment within the classroom, and you're able to see all sorts of different progress throughout.